In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly rename your Google Slides presentation. Managing and organizing your files effectively is crucial for both personal and professional success. With this simple tutorial, not only will you alleviate the chaos of unnamed or incorrectly named files, but you will also streamline your work process significantly. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open the Google Slides presentation you want to rename. This might sound straightforward, but it's an important first step. Make sure you are looking at the correct presentation that needs renaming, as it's easy to accidentally open the wrong one, especially if you have multiple similar projects. Once your desired slide deck is open, direct your attention to the top of the page. You'll see the current title of your presentation, which is right next to the Google Slides icon in the upper left corner. This title might be something generic, or perhaps a name that no longer fits the content of your presentation. Rest assured, it's editable, and we are going to change that in the next step. Now, simply click on this title. This act should highlight the current name, allowing you to replace it with one that better captures the essence of your work or the audience it's intended for. When you click, you'll notice that the text area becomes active, which means you're ready to type in your new title. Think about the new name you want for your presentation. Ideally, it should be descriptive enough for you and anyone else who might be accessing this presentation to understand what the slides are about without having to open the document. Once you have your new name in mind, simply start typing. This renaming part is where you can get creative. Just make sure it's relevant. After you've typed in the new name, it's time to save it. Thankfully, with Google Slides, this step is pretty intuitive. You can press Enter on your keyboard, or if you prefer using your mouse, you can just click outside the title box. Either of these actions will automatically save your new name. There's no need to look for a save button here, which is super convenient and ensures your new title stays intact. And there you have it. Your Google Slides presentation has a fresh new name, and you've taken a step towards better organization. Remember, keeping your files accurately and clearly named can save you tons of time and hassle in the future. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. Make sure to practice this renaming process whenever you create or update your presentations. And feel free to reach out if you have any more questions about using Google Slides effectively.